Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we'll take a look at how to add an image with the URL in your email signature in the Outlook. Without a further ado, let's get started. Let's get into the Outlook. So I've already opened my Outlook. So I'll go to this, gear icon and click on options. That will take you to this page, and from this page there are a lot of options. You can go to shortcuts and you can navigate to your add an email signature. I already have email signature with the images and corresponding URL gets added. Let's add an image with the URL. Let's see how it's done. Right, I've already downloaded the logo, the short logo of VIT. I'll just bring it here. So I'm gonna put it here, or I'll just put it in the front. Right. Insert picture inline, and that will navigate to the location of the file. Saved in the desktop, so I'll just click on this and I'll just click open. And you can see the size of this image is fairly large, so we can see this size and this size is huge, so we need to optimize the size or resize it. Let me show you how to do that. Like, let me delete this for a moment. I'll just delete this for a moment. I'll minimize the screen, and this is the one. So I'll just open this in Paint, Microsoft Paint. I'll right click it and I'll open with Paint. I can go to resize. It'll be something in pixels. It's a very huge pixel, so I'll leave it as like 50, and I'll maintain the aspect ratio like 50 and 52, or you can even make it a little bit smaller like 40, and let me go to 40 and 42, and I'm gonna click OK. So this is fairly small, and I'll save this, and we'll repeat the procedure. Right, so I'm gonna minimize this. I'm gonna close this pane because we'll be coming back to this in case if the given size is fairly large or we want to reduce it further. Right, so I'll just go to here. I'll go to insert picture inline. That will fetch me the same location and the file. You can see now the size is pretty small. I'll click this and I'll click open, and you can see it's kind of a pretty bigger even. I wanted to reduce even further, so I'm gonna click and delete, or I did a backspace. So I'm gonna go to this again and I'm gonna further resize it. Now resize it 20. Maintain aspect ratio. Okay, I'll save this. I'll come back to this and I'll insert the logo, which is pretty small. Yeah, it's fine. Now you can see it's fine. So here we are. It's connected. So first step is you click. You have to select this, and you can go here and you can click on the remove URL link. So now it's fairly an image, so it's no more from the location. And then I'll copy this bullets here. It's a very minute stuff, so I'm gonna click with the bullet. Now I'll save this, but this is just an image. It does not have the URL attached to it, right? So we'll add URL to it. So I'll select this. I'll go to this particular drop down, and where you can see insert link. So you can see insert link is empty. So I'm gonna copy my credentials. I'm gonna copy this. I'll close this. I'll move on to this thing. I'll give URL and I can click it go, and now you can see this image will have the my URL, right? So let's take a look at that. I'll save this. Let me send an email, a test email to my Gmail ID, and I'll see how this email works. So I have sent it to my personal Gmail. Let's take a look at this particular link, how it works. Like, so this is the a link, the image with a link. So I'll click on this, and this is what we have used it for the URL. Now you can see it's working perfectly fine. Right. Right. So this is how you add image with your URL. Right. So I hope you really enjoy this video. See you next time. Bye bye.